Hi guys, I'm going to make noodles today. I will break my fasting because today is my day off. So it's fine, and then it's only light and noodle is not too heavy. And I will mix some vegetables, of course, look. So very simple. So malapit nang kumulo guys. Now I will add vegetables. The sauce, little bit flavor. Mixing it. Yan, kasi medyo malamig-lamig ang panahon. So, kumukulo na siya. Hinaan ko ang apoy. Halo ko yung kaldereta kaninang linuto ko. So, yun lang guys. Baka simple. Para magkalasa. Luto na. Ilagay ko na sa aking bowl. Napakasimple lang guys.